We will begin with rectification of errors. We will begin with rectification of errors. What is an error? Is it an intentional mistake or unintentional mistake? If it is an unintentional mistake, we call it as which one? Error. Okay. What is a fraud? Intentional mistake. Okay. Consequence of a fraud will be misuse of cash or assets or loss to the entity. Okay, cash is misused, assets are misused, it will definitely result in what? Loss to the entity. Because of error, what will happen is profit or loss, overstated or understated. Balance sheet will not reveal true financial position. Because of error, no cash is lost, no resources are lost. யாரு misuse பண்ணிருக்க மாட்டாங்க. Because of which one? Error. But if a fraud வந்து என்ன பண்ணிருப்பாங்க? They would have misused cash or assets, or definitely it's a loss to the entity. Okay. It will result in only book issues, only journal ledger, trial balance issues. Entity will lose nothing. We are here to record error or rectify error. Rectify error. What are the types of errors? First one is error of principle. This we do many times when you interchange personal, real and which accounts? Nominal accounts. For example, salary paid. What is the journal entry? Salary to cash. Instead of that, we may debit employee name to cash. Kumar account data to cash. Okay. Or X account data to cash, Y account data to cash in quota. It's an error. So when you interchange personal, real and nominal account, that is called as what? Error of principle. Okay. Second is error of omission. It's clear? It may be a full omission or which one? Partial omission. Full omission will result in both debit as well as what? Credit is omitted. In case of partial omissions, either debit or which one? Either debit or which one? Credit is omitted. Then it can be other errors. We call it as error of commission. Any other type of errors, which may be overcasting, posting in the wrong side, posting a wrong amount, entering in the wrong books. They are called as which one? Errors of commission. So what are the basic errors? Errors of principle. Personal, real, nominal account interchange panna, that is called as what? Error of principle. You omit either full or partial transaction, that is called as what? Omission. Commission means any other type of error. Clerical errors, we call it as what? Wrong totaling, wrong carry forwarding, wrong amount entered, wrong side entry, entering double time. Instead of X account, take it to Y account. Instead of debit, post and credit. So that is called as what? Errors of commission. So these are the three types of errors. Okay. The question is, when do you rectify error? When errors are rectified. There are three stages. No need to copy this. Wait. There are three stages before preparing trial balance. Which means ledgers are not closed. Ledgers are not closed. Ledgers closed panna, we will prepare which one? Trial balance. When trial balance is prepared? After closing ledgers or before closing ledgers? After closing ledgers. So when the errors are rectified before preparing trial balance, ledgers are not closed, no suspense account is opened. At what point we open suspense account? When do we open suspense account? Trial balance is not tallying. Debit is not matching with credit. Now we open which account? Suspense account. So when ledgers are not closed, when trial balance is not prepared, no suspense account is opened. Then error can be rectified after trial balance. If it is rectified after trial balance, ledgers are closed means tallied. Ledgers tally பண்ணிடுவோம். Then suspense account is opened. Clear? Why do we open suspense account? Debit total comes to 5 lakhs. Credit total comes to only 4 lakhs. Gap 1 lakh. We'll open which account? Suspense account. When? After trial balance. Error can be rectified after final accounts also. After preparing what? Final accounts means in the next year we are rectifying last year error. Last year error we are rectifying in what? Current year and the money. Here also ledger account is closed, suspense account is what? Open. Only thing is that P&L account is already prepared with errors. P&L account is already prepared with errors. So there are 3 stages in which errors are rectified. What are the 3 stages? It can be before preparing trial balance or what? After preparing trial balance or after preparing final accounts. There are 3 stages in which you can rectify the error. How to rectify the error? Simple. Don't use suspense account. Don't use suspense account. If the errors are rectified, trial balance முன்னாடி error rectify பண்ணா, don't use which account? Suspense account. Why? Ledger is not closed. Ledger is not closed. Number 2, only when ledger is closed, then when it is not tallying, we'll open which account? Suspense account. After trial balance, suspense account is already opened. After final accounts also, suspense account is opened, but the problem is P&L account is already prepared and closed. Okay. So, okay, I'll give you 2 types of errors. One is called as errors affecting 2 ledgers. Errors affecting 2 ledgers. For example, salary paid rupees 40,000 for installing machine was wrongly debited to salary account. Why this money is paid? For installation of machine. Wrongly debited to which account? Salary account. Which means which account should have been correctly debited? Is it a capital expenditure or revenue expenditure? Capital expenditure. Capital expenditure na enna account la debit பண்ணிருக்கணும்? We should have debited to which account? Machinery account, but wrongly we debited to which account? Salary account. Simple. We have debited salary account wrongly. How to remove this? Salary account தப்பா debit பண்ணிருக்கோம். என்ன பண்றது? Credit to remove. Credit to remove. Where it should have been debited? Machinery account should have been debited. So rectification entries, machinery account debtor, machinery account debtor, how much? 40,000 to which account? Salary account 40,000. Where are you debiting machinery? It should be debited, but earlier we have not debited. Why are we crediting salary account? It was wrongly debited. It was wrongly debited. To remove that, we credited. Same entry will come after trial balance also. Same entry will come after trial balance also. If it is after final accounts, if it is after final accounts, in the place of salary, we'll use P&L adjustment account. In the place of salary, we'll use which account? P&L adjustment account. Why, sir? Simple. P&L account is already prepared. P&L account is already prepared. So simple. Now let us make a rule for 2-sided errors. Which means errors affecting 2 accounts. Errors affecting 2 accounts. We pass a journal entry. We pass which one? Journal entry. Here also we pass which one? Journal entry. But wherever nominal accounts are there, we use which account? P&L adjustment account. In the place of nominal account, we use which account? P&L adjustment account. We use which account? P&L adjustment account. Once again, I repeat. Salary paid 40,000 was wrongly debited to which account? Salary account, but it is paid for what? Installation of machine. Installation of machine காக நீங்க pay பண்ணா எந்த account debit பண்ணணும்? Machinery account. இல்லையா? Machinery account should be debited. Debit now. What was wrongly debited? How to remove that? Credit to salary account. So errors are affecting 2 accounts. If errors are affecting 2 accounts, what to do? Give a journal entry. After trial balance also same journal entry will come. If it is after final accounts, in the place of nominal account, use which account? P&L adjustment account. Now I will give you one more error. Pay attention. Salary paid to KK rupees 23,000 was debited to KK account. Was debited to which account? K account. Salary pay பண்ண என்ன account debit பண்ணும்? Salary account. Entry is salary account. You should have debited how much? 23,000. But which account was wrongly debited? How to remove this? To KK account. How much? 23,000. If it is rectified after trial balance also, what will happen? Same entry. If it is rectified after final accounts now, in the place of nominal account, use which account? P&L adjustment account data. P&L adjustment account data. Because why are we using P&L adjustment? Because all nominal accounts are transferred to P&L account. Expenses, incomes. Clear. Expenses, incomes, profits and losses are transferred to which account? P&L account. P&L account is already prepared now. So in the place of nominal account, use which account? P&L adjustment account. And a salary account, rent account, sales account, purchase account, where they are recorded? Where they are recorded? They are recorded in which account? Trading P&L account. So in the place of any nominal account, use which account? P&L adjustment account. Maybe I will give you one more error. Third. Okay. Cash withdrawn for personal use taken as normal withdrawal in cash book rupees 14,000. What is the journal entry for cash withdrawn for personal use? Drawings account data to bank account. But it was taken as wrong. என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க? Cash account data to bank account போட்டிருக்கு. The mistake is they should have debited which one? Drawings. But ஏதோ தப்பா debit பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்க cash account. Is there a mistake in bank account? No mistake in bank account. If it rectify பண்றது. See, this is the correct one. You should debit. Clear. This is the wrong thing we debited. How to rectify? Drawings account data to which account? Cash account. Drawings account data to which account? Cash account. What is the amount? 14,000. Drawings account data again debit pandro. That is what should be debited. Why are you crediting cash account? It was wrongly debited, so credit to remove. If it is rectified after trial balance, same entry will come. After final accounts, the nominal account irukanga. Any nominal account is there in this? Drawings and cash. Drawings in account. Drawings. Capital drawings and all which account? Personal account. Cash is which account? Otherwise, is there any nominal account like expenses income? No. Remember simple. First two cases, we used P&L adjustment account. Why? Salary is a nominal account, expenses. அதனால என்ன பண்றோம்? P&L adjustment. இங்க salary is a nominal account, so we use which account? P&L adjustment account. In the third case, if it is rectified before trial balance or after trial balance or after final accounts, what do we do? Same entry. Why same entry? No nominal. Okay. Fourth one. I'll give you one more transaction. Cash sales rupees 14,000 was not recorded at all, which means it is a full omission. How to record this? Both debit and credit is omitted. Enna pannum? Cash account data to which account? To sales account. How much? 14,000. So if there is rectified after trial balance, also same entry. If it is after final accounts, enna பண்ணுவோம்? In the place of which one? In the place of sales account, we use which account? P&L adjustment account. Why? Sales is a nominal item. Maybe one more thing I'll give you. Sixth one. Purchases. Wait. Credit purchases. Rupees 34,000 was treated as credit sales. rupees 34,000. Purchases, sales are treat பண்ணிட்டாங்க. What is the correct treatment? Purchase account debtor to creditors account. That's correct treatment. But தப்பா என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க? What is the wrong treatment they have done? Debtors account debtor to sales. Sales and entry. Debtors account debtor to which account? Sales account. This is a wrong treatment. This is a correct one. This is a wrong one. How to rectify this? You have to put the correct treatment. For that, what you have to do? Purchase account debtor to which account? No. Purchase account debtor to creditors account. No. Clear. Now, what was wrongly recorded? What was wrongly recorded? Sales was wrongly credited. Sales தப்பா credit பண்ணிருக்கோம். எப்படி cancel பண்ணுது? Debit பண்ணுங்க. Sales account debtor. Sales account debtor. Why? Sales was wrongly credited. How to rectify? Debit to rectify. Debit to rectify. Sales account debtor. Sales account debtor. அதே மாதிரி debtors account also was wrongly debited. அப்ப எப்படி cancel பண்ணுது? To debtors. Once again. Now understand this. What is the correct entry? Purchase account debtor to creditors account. Have we done that? No, do it now. Purchase to creditors. What was wrongly done? Debtors to sales. Debtors to sales. That எப்படி cancel பண்றது? Sales account debtor to debtors account. Why? Because sales account was wrongly credited. அதை cancel பண்ணதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்? Debit பண்ணணும். Debtors account wrong debit பண்ணிருக்கோம். How to cancel that? Credited. What is the amount? All are 34,000. All are 34,000. If it is rectified after which one? Trial balance also same entry. If it is rectified after final accounts, purchases and sales both are nominal accounts. Purchases and sales both are nominal accounts. So we will use P&L adjustment account. P&L adjustment account debtor 68,000. Both purchases and sales are which account? Nominal account. And the place என்ன use பண்ணும்? P&L adjustment account. The reason is already purchases and sales are closed in which account? Trading P&L account. So once again, I repeat. If there is a rectified before trial balance, ledgers are closed or not closed? Ledgers are closed. No suspense account is open. No suspense account is open. After trial balance, suspense account is open. Ledgers are closed. After final accounts, P&L account is already prepared. In the place of any nominal account, in the place of any nominal account, use which account? P&L account. So two-sided errors is the simple rule. Next, one-sided errors. One-sided errors, adjust that account. Adjust that account. And the account will adjust பண்ணா போதும். For example, I'll give you 7. Credit sales rupees 75,000 was not posted in debtors account. Was not posted in which account? Debtors account. Now it's a mistake in sales account and debtors account or only in debtors account? Is it a mistake in sales account as well as debtors account or only in debtors account? Only in debtors account. Only in debtors account. What is the entry for sales? Debtors account, debtor to which account? Sales account. Inge sales la mistake irka? No. No mistake in sales. Mistake is only which one? Debtors account. Do it now. We'll just write debit debtors account with rupees 75,000. With rupees 75,000, that's all. Because it's an error affecting only one account. So debit the debtors account with 75,000. That's all. Ledgers are closed or not closed? Ledgers are closed or not closed? Ledgers are not closed. Just go to debtors account. Debit with how much? 75,000 over. If it is after trial balance, now we'll put what? Debtors account, debtor to suspense account. Debtors account, debtor to which account? Suspense account. Don't adjust sales account. The mistake is in only which account? Debtors account. It is not posted only in which account? Debtors account. Sales account mistake error. It's an error affecting one account or two account? Only one account. If it is before trial balance, just adjust which one? That account. Which account? Debtors account. If it is after trial balance, now what do we do? We open which account? Suspense account. So debtors account, data to suspense account. If it is after final accounts, also same entry. Why a same entry? There is no nominal account. There is no nominal account. So we use debtors account, data to which account? Suspense account. Okay, I'll do one more thing. Wait. Please listen. Please listen. Machinery purchased rupees 25,000 was not posted in machinery account. Now this error is machinery account or only in cash account? Machinery account. The error is in which account? Machinery account. If it is before trial balance, and upon debit machinery account with rupees how much? 25,000. If it is after trial balance, and upon machinery account, data or to which account? Suspense account. How much? 25,000. If it is after final accounts, same. If it is final accounts, same. Why? No nominal account. No nominal account. I'll give you one more example. Pay attention. Salary paid rupees 80,000 was posted as 8,000 in salary account. Cash correctly posted. How much of salary is paid? We should have debited 70,000. Oh, sorry. Salary account should have been debited with how much? 80,000. But actual, debit panirkom? Only 8,000. How much more to debit? So debit salary with rupees how much? 72,000. If the error is rectified before trial balance, if the error is rectified before trial balance, what will we do? Debit salary with how much? 72,000. If it is after trial balance, என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? Salary account data, how much you have to debit? 72,000. To which account? Suspense account. Suspense account how much? 72,000. If it is after final accounts, சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். In the place of salary, we'll use which account? P&L adjustment account. Data to which account? Suspense. Right? So, if it is before trial balance, adjust that account. Adjust that account. If it is after trial balance, use which account? Use which account? Suspense account. If it is after final accounts, in the place of nominal accounts, use which account? P&L adjustment account. Now, let us practice. Shall we? Pay attention. Sales account was overcost by rupees 14,000. Sales account was overcost by 14,000. Is it an error affecting two accounts or only one account? One account. Which account? Sales account. Sales will have which balance? Sales is a credit balance. We have put excess amount. Excess, how much we have put? 14,000. How to rectify this? Simple. If it is before trial balance, now debit sales account with rupees 14,000. If it is after trial balance, what will you do? Sales account data. Sales account data, எவ்வளவு பண்ணணும்? 14,000 to which account? Suspense account. 14,000. If it is after final accounts, என்ன பண்ணணும்? P&L adjustment account data to suspense account, how much? 14,000. Clear? In the place of nominal account, use that account. Now pay attention. 11. Sorry, wait. Listen to it. Shall we? Total of discount received rupees 45,000 was not posted in ledger. It's an error affecting one account or two account? One account. Which account? Discount received. Discount received is an income or expense? Credit balance account. Credit discount received with rupees how much? 45,000. If it is after trial balance, what happens? Good. Suspense account data or to which account? Discount received 45,000. If it is after final accounts, what will you do? Suspense account data to which account? To P&L adjustment. How much? Wait. The examination they will clearly mention, is it before trial balance or after trial balance or after final accounts, they will clearly mention. Listen to it. Shall we? Debit side of cash book is overcost by rupees 45,000 or 7,800. Cash book debit side அதிகமா போட்டிருக்கும். How to rectify? Credit cash account with rupees 7,800. If it is after trial balance, what to do? Simple. Suspense account data to which account? Cash account how much? 7,800. If it is after final accounts, no, same. Why? No nominal account. So same entry will. Why? Because there is no nominal account, right? There is no nominal account. Next, 14. Okay, 13. Furniture purchased rupees 74,000 was debited to purchases account. Furniture purchase பண்ணது என்ன அக்கவுண்ட்ல டெபிட் பண்ணும்? Furniture account, but was wrongly debited to which account? Purchases account. Okay, so rectify furniture account data. Is it an error affecting one account or two account? To which account? Purchases account. How much? 74,000. If it is after trial balance also, same entry. After final accounts, what will you do? Will you switch on P&L adjustment? In the place of purchases, will you switch account? P&L adjustment account. So furniture account data to P&L adjustment account, like that we will pass it in. Shall we? Listen. Cash paid to Kumar rupees 480 was credited to his account as 840. What is the correct treatment? Cash la prachane illa. The problem is not in cash. The problem is only in which account? Kumar account. Correct treatment is you should have debited Kumar. How much? Rupees 480. What is the wrong treatment given? We credited Kumar with rupees 840. How to rectify this? Difference amount? Think. We wrongly credited. Credited remove பண்ணதுக்கு ஒரு debit போணும். This 840 should be removed. How to remove? Debit 840. This 480 should be debited. For that one 480 debit. So how much you have to debit totally? To remove the credit, what 840 debit? To put the debit, 480 debit. Once again, what is the mistake? We credited how much? 840. To remove that, debit 840, number one. And to put this debit, how much you have to debit? So what is the total debit? Debit, add both. 840 plus 480. 1,003. Debit Kumar account with rupees 1320. Once again, understand? What is the mistake? We credited. What should have been done? Debit பண்ணிருக்கணும். எப்படி remove பண்றது? To remove the credit, one debit. To put the debit, one debit. So totally how much you have to debit? 1320. If it is after trial balance, what is the entry you will pass? Kumar account data or to which account? Suspense account. How much? 1320. 1320. The mistake is not in cash. The mistake is not in cash. So after final accounts also same entry will come. Why? Because there is no nominal account. Right? There is no nominal account. Goods taken for personal use, not recorded, rupees 7,600. Goods taken for personal use. Another drawings. Drawings account data to cash verma, goods verma. Is it taken in cash or goods? Goods, but we don't record goods account. It is recorded in purchases account. Whenever we purchase goods, we record in which account? Purchase accounts. Okay. So once again, drawing should be debited. Okay. Purchase account include or eliminated. After trial balance also same entry. After final accounts, what will happen? In the place of purchases, we use which account? Wherever there is a nominal account, wherever there is a nominal account, use which account? P&L adjustment account. P&L adjustment account. Okay. Shall we? Loan received or loan taken rupees 3,200 was treated as interest income. What is the correct entry? Cash account data to loan. But what is the wrong entry they passed? Cash account data to interest. Cash account data to interest. Correct treatment பார்த்தா you should have credited to which account? Loan account பண்ணிருக்கணும். But wrong என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க? They credited to which account? Interest account. Interest account credit பண்ணிருக்காங்க. How to rectify this? Interest account data to which account? Loan account. How much? 3,200. Same entry will come after trial balance. After final accounts, in the place of interest, we will use what? P&L adjustment. Because interest is a nominal account. In the place of interest, we will use which account? P&L adjustment account. And now, listen. For all two-sided errors, you pass a journal entry. For all two-sided errors, you pass which one? Journal entry. If error is rectified after final accounts, in the place of nominal account, use which account? P&L adjustment account. For all one-sided errors, use which account? Suspense account. Suspense account after there is a trial balance or after which one? Final accounts. Now pay attention. This is next one is 17th error. Shall we? Listen. Rent paid rupees 7,600 was debited to owner Mr. X rupees 4,200. What is the correct treatment? Rent என்ன பண்ணிருக்கணும்? 7,600 debit பண்ணிருக்கணும். But what is the wrong treatment? Mr. X account debited same amount or different amount? How much? 4,200. How to rectify this? Rent account data. How much you should debit? 7,600. To X account. How much? 4,200. Balance will go to which account? Suspense account? No. If errors are rectified before trial balance, don't use which account? Suspense account. So what to do? Simple. Debit rent with rupees 7,600. Credit X with rupees how much? 4,200. Reason is we wrongly debited X. Remove that. Remove that. The rent should be debited. Debit that. Don't use which account? Suspense account. Either after trial balance end up doing rent account data. How much? 7,600 to X account. How much? 4,200. Balance will go to suspense account. 3,400. Same thing will come after final accounts also. But in the place of rent account, we'll use which account? P&L adjustment. P&L adjustment account we'll use. Done? We'll go to ICMA questions. Yes, let us work out multiple choice question. Whenever errors are noticed in the accounting records, they should be rectified. When? You can just look at the display. Whenever errors are noticed in accounting records, they should be rectified. எப்ப rectify பண்ணணும்? Immediate rectify பண்ணணும். Immediate rectify பண்ணணும் without waiting for the year end. Whenever you find error, rectify it. Whenever you find error, you rectify it. Should you have to wait and rectify all the errors at the end of the year? No. Don't wait, rectify the error. Answer is B. Answer is B. Trial balance will not tally. Trial balance will not tally. Look at this. Correct journal entry is posted twice. Debit also done twice, credit also done twice. So the trial balance will tally? Yes, it will tally. Debit side you entered twice, 4,500, 4,500. Credit side also you entered 4,500, 4,500. Total will tally or not? It will tally. Then, credit purchases debited to purchases account and credited to which account? Cash account. It will tally. Instead of purchases to creditors, recorded as what? Purchases to cash. It will tally. Then, 5,000 cash paid to creditors, debited to creditors as 500 and credited to cash as how much? 5,000. Yes. Yes. We debited only how much? We debited only 500 but credited 5,000. So debit amount and credit amount is not matching. Here trial balance will not tally. Answer is C. Sales to Shyam, rupees 500 not recorded in the books will affect. It's given not recorded in the books, which means not recorded at all, full omission. It will affect which account? Sales account and Shyam's account. Errors of carry forward in 1 year to another year will affect nominal account. Nominal account. Goods worth 272 returned by Lala passed through the books as how much? 772. What is the journal entry for goods returns? Sales returns. Sales returns can entry. Sales returns to Lala account. You should have credited only 272. You should have credited to only 272. But how much we credited? 722. Errors of carry forward from 1 year to another year. Sorry. It's only what? Personal and which accounts? Real accounts, because nominal accounts are already closed in which account? Trading P&L account. It affects only personal and real account, because in the place of nominal account we use which one? P&L suspense. Next. Goods worth rupees 272 returned by Lala. What is the entry? Sales returns account. Data to which account we put? எவ்வளவு போட்டிருக்கணும்? 272. This is the correct one. What is the wrong treatment we have given? 722, which means the mistake is only in Lala account. Mistake is only in account. This is wrong credit, but correct credit is only 272. Now we should debit which account? Lala account with the difference. 450. Answer is A. 450. 200 rupees received from Rajesh has not been recorded in the books. Cash received பண்ணிருக்கோம். What is the journal entry for receiving cash? Cash to Rajesh. Will it affect your profit? Cash to Rajesh not recorded. Is there a nominal account? Is there a nominal account? If there is no nominal account, what will be nominal account? Income or expenses? Income or expenses. So there is no nominal account. Profit will not be affected. Profit will not be affected. So it will not affect. Neither increase or what? Decrease. The question is about profit. The question is about which one? ரொம்ப சிம்பிள்ங்க. ராஜேஷ் வந்து கேஷ் வாங்குறது ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணல. Is it affecting your income? Is it affecting your expense? No. So profit will not be affected. Profit will not be affected. Next. Credit purchases 950 from Sundar was recorded in purchase book as how much? 590. How much we receive? 950. Purchase account, how much should have been debited? 950. But we debited only 590. Na? Difference you have to debit further. Actually 950 debit பண்ணிருக்கணும். 590 தான் debit பண்ணிருக்கணும். அப்ப என்ன difference ஆல இருக்கு? 360 we should debit. 360 we should debit. ரொம்ப சிம்பிள்ங்க. 950 should have been debited. But we debited only 590 means we have to debit the balance. What is the balance? 360 more we have to debit. Which of the following affects only one account? Totaling, carry forwarding, posting will affect only that account. Answer is all the three. Goods 1750 returned to supplier was entered in sales book as 1570. Goods returned to supplier was wrongly recorded as which one? Sales. Was wrongly recorded as sales. They will ask you what will be the impact on profit. Purchase returns sales record பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Purchase returns என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க? Sales record பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Purchase returns wrongly recorded as which one? Sales. So 1750 plus 1570 add பண்ணா gross profit will increase by 3320. How it will decrease? Sales தானே ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். Sales தானே ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். Expense expense income record பண்ணிருக்கோம். Expense என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? Income மாதிரி ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணினோம். Profit will increase. Actually the question தப்புன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Wait பண்ணுங்க. Pay attention. Purchase returns. Purchase returns என்ன balance அது? Credit balance இருக்கும். எவ்வளவு இருக்கும்? 1750. Which was wrongly recorded as sales returns. 1570. Anyway, credit தானே பண்ணிருக்கோம். So your gross profit will decrease by the difference. Or increase by 3000 கிடையாது. தப்பா போட்டிருக்காங்க. GP will decrease by 11. The difference. Actually, a question framing it up. Credit down. Both are wrong. Both are wrong. The question framing itself is wrong. Both are credits only. Okay, we cannot just add and put the answer. Tappu. Question itself is wrong. Which of the following is one-sided error? Purchase of old equipment was not recorded in the books at all. 500 being expense on traveling, credited to which one? Traveling expense. Both are. Think pannu. If it is an expense on traveling, it should be debited or credited. Expense debit pannuma, credit pannuma. Debit pannum, but enna pannirukanga? Credited. So this will affect only which account? Traveling expense account. This is one-sided error. Answer is B. 500 is a two-sided error. How? A is two-sided error. How? Purchase of old equipment was not recorded at all means both equipment is not recorded, cash is also not recorded. It affects what? Two accounts. Point number B affects only one account. Which account? B. 11th part. Which of the following errors affect the agreement of trial balance? Which will affect the agreement of trial balance now? Because of which error trial balance will not tally? Mistaken balancing an account. ஒரே ஒரு அக்கௌண்ட் பேலன்ஸ் பண்றது தப்பா பண்ணிட்டேன்னா debit or credit will get affected. Either debit or what? Credit will get affected. Trial balance will not tally. Trial balance will not tally. If we omit the full transaction or if we record the transaction in the subsidiary book wrongly or posting in the correct side but wrong account, all these things will not affect trial balance. All these things will not affect trial balance. The reason is either it is debited or credited or it is done both, so not affecting. ஒரே ஒரு அக்கௌண்ட்ல மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணாத debit or credit will affect. Then which of the following errors affecting only one account? Casting means totaling. Carry forward means one page to next page. Errors of posting. Answer is all the above. Answer is all the above. Because it will affect only that account. It will affect only that account. Which of the errors affecting two or more accounts? Complete omission. Both debit and credit is affected. Error of principal. Instead of personal, real, nominal, interchanged, two of accounts. Error of posting into a wrong account, to a wrong account. It affects one account as well as the other account. So answer is all the three. All the three. Which of the following is an error of principal? Principal error na personal, real, nominal accounts interchange ஆயிருக்கும். Instead of personal real account, instead of real account, nominal account அப்படி போட்டிருக்கும். Yes, planned is a real account. Planned is a real account, but wrongly debited to which account? Travel expense account. So real account and nominal account interchange ஆனால it's called as what? Error of principal. See, மத்தெல்லாம் கிடையாது. என்ன பிக் பண்ணுங்க. Wages என்ன account? Nominal account. Salary என்ன account? Nominal account. Nominal account to nominal account interchange பண்ணா that is not error of principal. Next also, raw material is nominal account, purchase also nominal account. First one, Shyam is a personal account, Ram is a personal account. So personal to personal, real, I mean real to real are within the same category interchange பண்ணா that is not an error of principal. Answer is B. Next, rupees 200 paid as wages for erecting a machine should be debited to 200 rupees எதுக்காக pay பண்றீங்க? For installing a machine. For installing a machine, it should be debited to machinery account. Okay. I will give you one more rectification. Let us see. Salary paid for installing a machine debited to machinery account rupees 12,000. What entry will pass? Think an answer. இந்த மாதிரி எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்தோம்னா கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகாதீங்க. Salary paid for installing a machine should be debited to which account? Machinery account. Is there any error? No error. இதுக்கு தப்பா நம்ம யோசி என்ட்ரி எல்லாம் போட்டு அந்த ஆப்ஷன் சூஸ் பண்ணிடுவோம். ஆப்ஷன் will be A, machinery to salary. Second option will be salary to machinery. Third option will be machinery to suspense. Fourth option is none of the above. None of the above because there is no error. There is no error. கரெக்டா தான பண்ணிருக்காங்க. என்ன மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? There is no error in this. இல்ல. Salary paid for installing a machine என்ன அக்கவுண்ட்ல டெபிட் பண்ணனும்? Should be debited to which account? Machinery account. It has been debited to machinery account only. Salary paid for installing a machine should be debited to which account? Machinery account. Yes, it is debited to machinery account. No error. Next, listen. Sale of furniture was credited to sales account. Rupees 7,600. Furniture account data. I thought நம்ம கம்ப்ளீட் பண்றோம்னு நினைச்சேன். தப்பா கிரெடிட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க சேல்ஸ். Furniture account தானே கிரெடிட் பண்ணனும். எந்த அக்கவுண்ட் தப்பா கிரெடிட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? சேல்ஸ். How to rectify? Sales account data to which account? Furniture account. After trial balance also same entry will come. After trial balance also same entry will come. After final accounts the place of sales we'll use which account? P&L adjustment account. P&L adjustment account. Okay. Next, pay attention. Advertisement expenses. Rupees 6,200 was debited to wages account. Rupees 6,200. Which account should have been debited? Advertisement account. Data how much? 6,200. What was wrongly debited? Wages account how much? 6,200. After trial balance? Same entry. After final accounts? P&L adjustment account data to P&L adjustment account. Wages also nominal account. Advertisement also nominal account. Wages also which account? Nominal account. So no entry required. Or P&L adjustment account data to which account? P&L adjustment account because both are nominal accounts. So no entry required. No entry required. Wait. Purchases account was overcost by rupees 7,560. Purchase account was overcost by 7,560. The mistake is only in which account? Is there a mistake in cash or creditors? No. So purchase excess account. Purchase will have which balance? So how to remove? Credit purchases account with rupees 7,560. If it is rectified after trial balance, என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? Expense account data 7,560 to which account? If it is rectified after final accounts and account, suspense account and all. P&L adjustment account. Purchase returns rupees 4,500 was wrongly treated as a sales or wrongly treated in sales account. Purchase returns என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? We should have credited purchase returns. But wrong credit என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? Sales. How to rectify? Sales account later. To which account? How much? After final accounts or after trial balance also same entry. After final accounts both will be P&L adjustment to P&L adjustment. Both will be P&L adjustment to P&L adjustment, so no entry required. No entry required. So what I request is please go through the fill in the blank questions, true or false questions at home. Go through fill in the blanks and what true or false questions at home. And for rectification of errors, keep it in mind. Okay, these are the main points that you have to keep it. What are the main points that you have to keep it? If the errors are rectified before preparing a trial balance, please remember ledgers are closed or not closed. So don't use suspense account. Don't use suspense account. For two-sided errors, pass a journal entry. Pass a journal entry. Okay. And for one-sided errors, just adjust that account. Just adjust that account. Then if errors are rectified after trial balance, ledgers are closed, suspense account is opened. For two-sided errors, use which account? Say journal entry. For one-sided errors, use suspense. Okay. Then, if it is after final accounts, P&L account is already prepared. So, in the place of nominal account, use which account? P&L adjustment account. And we can use suspense account also. We can use which one? Suspense account, because suspense account will be carried to balance sheet. Okay. So remember this, from rectification of errors you can expect around 3 to 4 questions. How many questions? 3 to 4 questions you can expect from that.